How to change your iPhone Siri voice. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you a simple way how you can change your iPhone Siri voice. It's pretty simple and easy, so just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up settings. Here you need to find Siri and search, and in here we look for Siri voice. Here I can tap on it and select between two voices I have installed here, but for Russian it's only two voices. I can go back for a step and here I can select another language. For example, it will be English. Here it is, English, United States. I select it and now I can tap on Siri voice again, and here I can select much more varieties of voices. Now we see that voices are downloading, and when it's done I will have ability to select any voices I want. And now you see how it's simple to change your iPhone Siri voices. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.